shown in the previous weekly commentary, GBPUSD extended the bullish channel extension but reached the key supply zone from where selling pressure appeared. Moreover, the price formed a bearish Quasimodo pattern from the demand zone and moved below the dynamic 20 EMA level. This technical analysis represents the long-term bearish trend of GBPUSD, where the 100 SMA is way above the current price. Moreover, the strongest trading volume since December 2022 was recorded at the 1.354 level, which also has a strong gap. The RSI rebounded below the 50 level without testing the 70 level, indicating upcoming selling pressure. Based on the GBPUSD price analysis, the bearish possibility is solid as long as it is trading below the 1.239 to 1.221 supply zone, where the main aim is to test the 1.176 level. The alternative approach is to wait for the price to break above the 1.239 level before approaching the 1.260 key psychological level.